In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to launch Photos app and decide if you want to delete them from photos or collections. Let's start with collections. Select one of your folders. Hold one of your pictures and then use those dots at the top left corners to pick multiple right away. To keep some, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use this bin at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete them from photos, hold one. Do exactly the same, but this time bin icon is located at the bottom. Click on it and confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!